Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Craig's Garage. Today we are going to a car show. This is Iola car show in Wisconsin. It's like one of the biggest car shows going on in this state. I'm meeting up with a buddy today. He's gonna be taking his rat rod or either his Buick. But no matter what, we're gonna have fun today, and I'm gonna have a blast. It is gonna be a long video. There's gonna be a bunch of cars, and we're gonna go through every little bit of it today. Vice Grip Garage should also be here. I don't know when we'll meet him, but I'm hoping that we can catch him on recording if it's okay with him, and just say hi to him. Him and my dad and a bunch of other people have been big motivation for me to do YouTube, and I just want to give him a big thanks and to have some fun today. So I will meet you up when we're cruising into town. There's going to be a bunch of vehicles, and then we'll register and be set to go. So I'll see you guys very soon. Well, you guys, this is where we're at. Buick is dead. It turns over. We got spark, we got fuel, and the alternator is charging. So we got everything. It's just, I don't know. What do we got up in here? Yeah, we got, I can hear the, can't think of the name of it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm lost for words right now. But anyways, we're going to try to do something different here. We got one spark plug open, and the spark plugs aren't that bad. Here, hold on. Let me fix that for you guys. Okay. So spark plugs aren't bad, but I just don't know what's going on. So, I'm gonna keep trying. Alright, updates. We got nothing still. Doesn't have fuel. I don't have any fuel to the pump. We're gonna pressurize the line and try to get it. The pump is still working. We backfed a bunch and it launched it back out. We put in like 4 gallons. I am now not trusting my gauge, as it says on here it's about half, but that's because the ignition is shut off. When you turn the key on, it goes up and up and full. But if you come back to the tank, you give it a good old knock, bone dry. Okay, tank is actually full. Pump works, but it's like we got air in the line. So he's got a pump, like a little air squeezing one, I think is how you say, I don't know. But we're gonna hook it up to the end of the soft line and see if there's a restriction. If there's a restriction, we're blowing that right out. And that means we gotta drop the tank later, try to get everything that's in there out. It's a brand new tank and sending unit though. So it's a battle. Perks of owning a Buick, a GS350 to be exact. So let's keep her at it. All right, we got updates. Gas is in the tank. The sending unit was right. The fuel line that I had hooked up to the sending unit came off. So yeah, we're running now. We are late for a car show. We need to go show our rusted cells off. So I'm gonna throw my air cleaner back on, and then we're gonna hit the road. All right, guys, we just got in Iola. Following Jesse, he's up in the truck there. So yeah, we're gonna be going through some heavy traffic. So when we're pulling in, I will bring you back around. But we made it. He had some battery problems. We got to pick up some water because stuff here is not cheap. So we got some water. All we're gonna be getting is some food. So we'll be rocking and rolling here. Dude, look how nice that comes in.
Oh yeah.
And just beautiful. car show is over. I do apologize. Vice Grip was not in it. He left before I could, really get any good video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. And thank you to everybody that subscribed for all my iola, and thank you to everybody that is subscribed. That are subscribed. It means the world to me, and we are getting closer to 200. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I'm gonna head around home as we are being followed by a big storm. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Feel like subscribing if you want to. Totally up to you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.